our new problem, which name is find peak element, lead code 162 problem. In this question we have given a nums array. In this array we have to find the peak element. Means let's look the example 1 2 and 3 and then again 1. So 3 is the maximum element at index 0 1 2. So 2 is our answer. And in this question 1 2 1 3 5 6, 6 is a peak element, so 6 is at index 5, so 5 is our answer. So let's see this intuition how we can solve this. So while looking this we have confirmed that this is a binary search question, because it is a pure binary search peak element, because binary search we can apply a binary search in monotonic functions, decreasing or increasing. In this array, look at this, in this array 1 2 3, 1 2 3 is in increasing mode, then it is in decreasing mode. So this is a monotonic increasing and monotonic decreasing. So binary search we can apply. So we can find the mid. If mid is lies in left part, then we have to do start equals to mid plus 1, because if a mid is in this part, then mid is in this part, then peak element is in forward from the left line, so start equals to mid plus 1. If in another case, if mid lies in this line, then we have to do end equals to mid, because mid minus 1, why not? Because if peak element is equals to mid, then mid minus 1 will be this element, so end will be this so it is not a correct. So end equals to mid, so that this will be a peak element, that's why. So here comes a Java code and C++ code. So let's do the code. So firstly we have to define the size. Int n equals to nums dot size, int start equals to 0, int end equals to n minus 1, while we have to apply a loop. Start is less than end. By apply a loop we have to find the, before this apply a loop we have to find the mid equals to start plus end minus start upon 2. Now in this loop, if nums of mid is less than nums of mid plus 1, then what we have to do? We have to, it is in its left part, for start equals to mid plus 1. In else case, end equals to mid, not mid minus 1. So this is our code. Return start, and why this we have to update the mid also. Mid equals to start plus end minus start upon 2. So let's run this code. Working. Let's submit this code. Done. So it is taking time complexity of O of log n. As natural, binary search takes time complexity of O of log n. We can do this question using O of n time by linear search, but we have to apply a binary search for decrease the time. That's why we are applying a binary search. And look at this, it is an increase, monotonically increase or decrease mode, so we can easily apply binary search. So first institution that comes in our mind is binary search. Should be binary search because it takes the time of O of log n, which is better than the O of n. Okay, so let's done. Okay, so like this video, comment and share as much as possible. This will give me a motivation because I am making a video again and again for you, and मुझे पता चलता रहेगा जिससे कि आपको समझ में ही आ रहा है. सो लेट्स सब्सक्राइब दिस, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. ओके.